We're looking at, of course, a cold blast in store for us for the later portion of the week, but we also have this storm that we're tracking for tomorrow. So let's talk about this because this is the first order of business. Winter storm watch has been posted as we move north and west of 495, and that's where we see the best chance of over 6 inches of snowfall. Where the snow will be heaviest, I do think it will be that wet type of snowfall. So I want to give you an early heads up for those of you that are in that heavier snow band. It is going to be kind of like a concrete type of snow. Where we have pure rainfall in southeastern Massachusetts, it's not just a little rain. We're talking about over an inch, so some flooding in spots. Wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour, if not stronger, moving toward late tomorrow night and even into the pre-dawn hours Wednesday. So we're brisk and bright for today, and it is dry over the next 12 hours. Our storm moving in tomorrow, and a heads up, a potential for a rain-snow mix as we approach the weekend as well. Very active pattern all of a sudden. It's 39 degrees right now. It feels like it's down in the 20s for some spots. Our feel-like temperature in Boston about 33, as we do have a bit of a wind to talk about here. Wind gusts of about 20 this morning, but it gets a little closer to 30 by mid-morning. So it is a breezy start to our day. The wind will die down as we approach sunset tonight, which means it will be calm as we move toward the Patriots game this evening, but cold. We go from near 40 during the day down into the 20s by this evening. So it is a cold outlook for sure, and that's setting us up for the snow. Here we are at 7 o'clock on your Tuesday. The snow just starting to push in from the west, a little closer to 9, 10 o'clock as we move toward Boston. So if you're an early morning commuter in eastern Massachusetts, you might be able to get to work before this actually hits us. However, things are going to turn messy during the day. Look at this. By midday, we start to see this rain snow line pivoting north and west of Boston, which we get into the slush factor for much of 128 and 495 travel around noon. From Boston southeast, it is pure rainfall. I do think a lot of the coast, even the tip of Cape Ann, will see a good amount of rain during the day, and that's the case through the late afternoon. Here we are, 3, 4 o'clock. Wow, it's a lot of rain to track here, with snow mainly to the northern Worcester Hills. But that area of snow collapses somewhat into the evening. So between 4 to 7, watch. If you're in Metro West and north and west of Boston, you're getting into a late end chance of snow before things start to wrap up late at night. So here we are at midnight, and things are looking dry here. So it's a slushy coating to 3 inches for 128 and toward 495, so through Metro West. But as you move right along 495 north and west, you get into that 3 to 6 mark. And as you move to the northern Worcester Hills, upwards of 6 inches. And as I mentioned, a heavy, wet 6 inches at that. Could see closer to 9 as you move farther north. Rain as you move into southeastern Massachusetts could be heavy, and you throw in this wind. Look at these wind gusts getting closer to 45 miles per hour down toward the islands on Tuesday evening. And it stays gusty into the late night hours. I do think the wind direction will start to shift, but still wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour in the pre-dawn hours Wednesday. The wind will start to calm down as we move toward Thursday, but as I mentioned earlier, there's a cold front that could trigger a few festive flakes flying around for holiday lights on Thursday night. So